Let's talk about why most men struggle with women. It's not because you're not tall enough, not because you don't have a six-pack. It's because you're not being real. You're hiding who you are. You're filtering your words, shrinking your truth, just to be liked. Truth is never boring to women. Don't withhold the truth, and women can feel that energy. See, most men aren't rejected because they're unattractive. They're rejected because they're inauthentic. They're performing, pleasing, seeking approval. You don't speak your mind. You don't set boundaries. You nod. You smile. You agree. You're afraid to upset her, so you kill your edge. That fake version of you, it's boring. It has no pull, no gravity, no presence. And without presence, there's no attraction. So what's the fix? Stop chasing validation. You're a man. Start acting like one. Give yourself the validation you're begging for. Internally, own your truth. Say what you think, feel what you feel, want what you want, and don't apologize for it. Detach from outcomes. Talk to women without needing anything from them. Just presence, just expression. Master the 3 T's: touch, tease, tell. Touch when it feels right. Tease playfully, like a man who's grounded. Tell her what you want directly. It's not about lines or tactics. It's about being the most real, powerful version of you. Because that energy is rare, and women feel it. Don't fall into the trap of covert contracts. If I'm nice enough, she'll like me. If I listen long enough, she'll sleep with me. That's manipulation. That's weakness. And women can sniff it out from a mile away. Don't overshare either. Own your emotions, but don't bleed on people who didn't cut you. Here's the brutal truth. Attraction isn't something you manufacture. It's something you transmit. And when you stop chasing love, when you become the love and imbibe what you are looking for, that's when you find it.